the journey of a 500 ringgit investment of ayam gepuk Bertum. Hello, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Muhammad Zurdin, and I will with others 4 person of my teammate participate in this part to sell ayam gepuk for this subject. First, I am executive director, where we have Fikri Muhammad Arif as a marketing sale. Finance manager, we have Muhammad Fadil bin Azman, and the operation inventory is Muhammad Abdul Basit bin Samad. And lastly, the procurement manager, which are Arif bin Ahmad Yahya. Identity. So actually, we are choosing this business due to micro business, which as we all know, nowadays ayam gepuk is one of the famous meal. So we choose that because Gen Z and people like me, which are still young, love this food. So the operation period is on 14 May 2006, which is 1 day operated only, and the location is at the F Cup, specifically at the parking. And the core objective is to provide an affordable, complete meal set to HTM student and staff, and also managing purchasing preparation and promoting operatorial within a 1 day operation, and to generate profit and evaluate financial performance using the engineering economic method. And the primary method which we recommended is the benefit cost ratio, which BCR, which to measure the performance, operational efficiency, and lastly to capital effectiveness of this venture. So we are going to part of the product and operational structure. Which have the product is we have the poster, which is the poster is display the rice, fried chicken, sambal, fried cabbage, and fried tofu, and also tempeh. So the price of each meal is 10 ringgit, and the scope of the project is we are targeting about production of 100 set to control capital and minimize food waste. And also the engine is me and myself as an executive director, where we have a finance operator, operation inventory, procurement, and also the marketing and sale. The key point here is no permanent premises, no long-term worker, and no external financing. We are using the pure student hustle, and we are not going to the simple way which some of the group just buy food from other stall and put their own price with the margin.
Chapter 3, we analyze the financial performance of ayam gepuk Bertum by evaluate the total cost, total revenue, net profit, break-even point. The business start with initial capital of 500 ringgit Malaysia, which consists of 40 ringgit fixed cost for store rental and 40 60 100 variable costs for raw material, packaging, and other operation expenses. During the business operation, we successfully sold 109 meal set, generate total revenue of 1090 ringgit Malaysia and net profit of 590 ringgit. The break-even point was calculated only 69 ringgit, which means the business need only a small amount of sale to cover fixed general profit. Overall, this result show that the business are financially successful and good. Chapter 4 present the financial position of the business through a simple balance sheet. At the end of the business operation, the total asset amount to 500 ringgit consisted entirely of cash generated from the business activity. There was no remaining stock as all meal set were successfully sold, and no equipment asset were recorded because existing household equipment were used through the operation. In addition, the business has zero liability because all expenses were fully financed at the group member without any external loan or borrow. Therefore, the business operates 100% self-financed and low refinance structure, demonstrate good financial management and stability.
So for chapter 5, benefit cost ratio, BCR, our profit is 1090 ringgit, and divided by our total cost 500 will get 2.18. So every 1 ringgit that we spend for the business, including raw material for the rental and the menu itself, the return will get 2.18 ringgit, which is the business is profitable. So for chapter 6, justification of economy feasibility. So as we can see, the first one is capital efficiency. within 500 ringgit as the initial capital, we proved that the business can generate 1090 ringgit in a single day, which this is the demonstrate strong capital efficiency and rapid return. So for the second one is operational supremacy, which is the benefit cost ratio achieved was 2.18, reflecting the excellent cost control and precise pricing strategy. So the last one is mitigation. Operation were far above and the break even point of 69. All inventory was sold out with no liabilities left behind.
Now I will explain Chapter 7, the reality of the pop-up kitchen. We faced three main challenges during our pop-up kitchen. The first challenge was inventory and local rivalry. We had many nearby vendors selling the same food. Sometimes it was hard to get fresh chicken and chilies, and the price was highest at the last minute. Our solution was to find trusted suppliers really and manage our ingredient carefully to reduce waste. The second challenge was the peak hours surge. During lunchtime, many customers come at the same time. We only had 5 team members, so we need to work fast. Our solution was to give each team member a clear job, such as frying, preparing food, or handling the catch. This helped us serve customer faster. The third challenge was academic clash. We are university students, so sometimes our class schedule was the same as our business time. Our solution was to plan our work shift early and communicate well with each other. This helped us balance our studies and our business. In conclusion, this challenge taught us the importance of good planning, teamwork, and communication. Now, I will explain Chapter 8, the economic interlock. This slide shows the financial performance of our pop-up kitchen. First, our fixed cost was only RM40, so we did not need a lot of money to start the business. Next, our break-even point was RM69. This means after we earned RM69, we started making profit. Our total revenue was 1090, which showed that our business performed very well. We also sold enough product to reach the profitability zone, with 102 units contributing to profit. Finally, our actual benefit cost ratio or BCR was 2.18, while our expected BCR was only 1.0. This means for every RM1 we earn 2.18 in return. This happened because we control our costs, reduce waste, and had strong sales. So, in conclusion, our pop-up kitchen was financially successful and achieved better result than we expected.
Okay, chapter 9 focus on the strategy recommendation for scaling up ayam gepuk berdentum. Firstly, to overcome inventory issue and fluctuating costs, we recommend bulk purchasing and better demand forecasting to reduce costs and improve profitability. Second, to increase revenue, we suggest adding high margin products such as drink and extra sambal. This can increase customer spending without requiring significant investment. Lastly, to support a business growth, we recommend reinvesting profit into better packaging, expanding production capacity, and promoting the business through TikTok and Instagram. Overall, through strategy will help ayam dentum grow sustain, increase sale, and become more competitive in the campus food market.